Hey everybody, Josh from Crappie Junction here. At the end of last year, I broke a flighting. I accidentally stepped on this, so it wasn't even during use. I just stepped on it and I broke the very last flighting on my Razr Auger. The nice thing about these razors is that they come with 2 flightings in the box with them. So we have one already. We didn't even have to call customer service. We did. After the season was done, they sent us a new one, so now we still have 2. But the nice thing about having it in the box is that you don't have to wait. If this would have been at the beginning of the season last year, I could have had it fixed right away. We would have been good to go. So I'm just going to go through kind of how to replace these, and that's what we're doing in this video. So if you want to see that, stick around. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna need a metric Allen key. So I got a couple of key packs here. The blue one is my metric, and I believe this is a 5. So, and there's a couple different sizes. So actually, let's check. It might be a 4. Okay, so all you do is you start, there's 4 bolts to remove, and then all these just slide down. And the nice thing about this, the razors, is that they have a hexagonal shaft. So that means that all you got to do is take these bolts out and just slide the flights on and off. So that's a pretty neat feature. And I'm actually going to need a little bit bigger one, I think. That might be a 6. So we'll just keep going here. Too big, just right. All right, as you can see, the bottom collar is now loose. Let's get this one out of the top and then see if we have a big enough one for this top. I bet the 6 mil works for it. I just have to try it here. But so we got that loosened up. You don't have to take these all the way out, just because they're just like set screws, right? So you just have to make sure that they're loose enough that they can slide off. Let's see if the 6 fits. Oh, perfect. So the 6 is actually the retention bolt that holds your adapter in. And so for us over here at the Crappie Junction, we actually opted to go with the deep freeze easy auger system. It's super cool. Like, it allows you to just pop the auger on and off of your drill, which is super cool. And they have adapters for all different kinds of brands. We have the Razr one, so we got that collar off. Got that. Let's put our set screw back so we don't lose it. Remember, that was our 4mm set screw. So we have a 4mm and a 3mm and a 6mm, all on the same auger. All right, so here we go. This is the easy part. And you just want to make sure that when you put the flightings back on, that it's angled down, because that's going to lift your slush out of the water when you put them back together. So There you go. Even with a little hiccup, it still took less than 10 minutes. Alright, so that's our top one. This is our bottom one. I'm going to make sure that we put this in here like that. I'm going to take our 3mm. Make sure I'm telling you the right one here. It doesn't even say on there, actually. Yeah, it's the 3mm right after the 4. So I'm going to take the 3mm, put that one on first. Just put this on here, and we're just going to line up that top hole. Use the 3mm again. Make sure that top hole is lined up. The nice part is it just has to be lined up and down, because again, this is a hexagon shaft, so it indexes all of the parts, so you don't have to worry about it spinning. So you just snug that down. We're going to put our adapter back in with our Easy View safety flange. Get this bolt put back in there. And we're going to use the number 6. And this one you kind of want to give a little bit of torque to, just because it's holding on. And another good tip for any of the ice augers is that you should really check your bolts at least once a year, if not every time you use it. There we go. Now she's fully functional, ready for the ice, and that's how you change the flights on your Razr auger. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was, just throw a comment or a like on there, and we'll see you next time.